Hi all, welcome to Reality of Hyderabad. Let's learn something new today. Today we are at Tellapur location. We can see all the latest developments and construction status as on today. My Home Sayuk at Tellapur location. So we can see this, it's a ready to move property. So here we can find 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. So which is spread across 25 acres of the land parcel. With a G plus 39 floors high-rise apartment with a more than 3,780 premium flats. So here we are having a 1 lakh square feet of the clubhouse. Beside My Home Sayuk, so we are having the My Home Akrida and My Home Avali project as well. So we can see this, it's absolutely ready to move in property. Home Sayuk have a 12 premium towers. So we can see the construction status of My Home Akrida. My Home Akrida is a under construction property and this is a My Home Avali. So which is premium luxury apartment with 3 and 4 BHK apartments which spread across 8.37 acres of the land parcel with 4 premium towers with a 744 flats. My Home Avali is G plus 46 floors high-rise apartment. My Home Akrida, which is 12 towers with a more than 25 acres of the land parcel. This is My Home Aparna Newland at Tellapur location. So which consists of 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments which spread across 8 towers with a G plus 41 floors high-rise apartment in a 14.7 acres. Gamya Supadha at Tellapur location 3 and 4 BHK apartments. This is Vision Harsha at Tellapur location. So we can see the construction status as on today. So which is 11 acres project with a 2, 3 and 3.5 BHK apartments. Aparna Cyber Heights at Tellapur location. So here Aparna Cyber Heights have a 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. And these are Aparna Cyber Star and Aparna Cyber Sheen. So here they have a 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. Rajapushpa Imperia at Tellapur location. 4 premium towers with a 36 floors high-rise apartment. Rajapushpa Lifestyle City, Rajapushpa Imperia construction status. So which is 2 and 3 BHK apartments spread across 24 acres of the land parcel with a 40 floors high-rise apartment, 8 premium towers, 1,20,000 square feet of the clubhouse size, and Rajapushpa Imperia elevation from the Usman Nagar Road. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more real estate updates in the market.